Hello guys, my name is Victor Tames. I'm from the Internet Sales Department.
Hello, I'm Patrick Ramirez from the Customer Care Center. We're gonna win.
Hi, I'm Allison Guevara. I work at Customer Care Center.
And I'm her brother, Brian Guevara, also in the Customer Care Center. You want to twist it a little bit?
Yeah, gotta look away, Brad.
Senators.
President. Woo, let's go, homie!
Oh, dude, bro.
So boss!
That was so easy. Clay.
Play-Doh.
Woo!
Sorry, damn, I got that one.
Yeah, that was good. The siblings. Toad.
Frog.
Oh, these are too easy.
Oh man.
They're all one-liners. That was a lot easier than. Wow.
T-Rex.
Dinosaur.
Wow, dude. This is gonna be really close.
Oh man.
Really close.
I would have said frog.
But I go first.
Test.
Oh, struggling there. Why you red?
Hardball.
Baseball.
That's wrong.
I think I know it.
Gotcha.
I think I know it.
Got you, bro.
So, oh, you got 10 seconds, 10, right?
Pirates.
Cannon. Yes! Let's go! I knew it! When she said...
Play games, Brian. You play games.
You just... When she said that, I was like... Oh.
Crap.
For today, Brian.
Carne asada.
Steak.
Sencilla. Oh, God. I think that's a little bit too hard for him.
Patrick doesn't know Spanish.
I know. Meat. No.
Taquería.
Birria.
Foil paper.
Tacos.
No. Preparada.
Papasada.
I mean, that's what it is. With
Papasada.
Yeah. Man, if you would have known Spanish, bro, Sencilla, you would have got it real quick.
Stop shake.
Okay.
Plastic marker.
Dry eraser.
Classroom.
Chalkboard.
Dry eraser.
Whiteboard.
Yeah, boy. Yeah. Your first name, 1, 2, 3, exclamation point.
Huh? What? You can only use one word, chill.
Oh, okay.
This guy gave a heart.
Okay. Typing on keyboard. Keyboard.
Hey.
Hey, that's
Keyboard.
already 2.
Keyboard.
I know, bro. I'm gonna say email.
Okay, no.
No? Oh, alright.
Okay.
Okay.
Ethan 2016.
Damn!
Password.
That wasn't one word either. No, I fucked it up.
She gave me a password too.
I know. Yo.
He's got it.
Yeah.
Wait, maybe.
Tablet.
Oh, ya valió.
Tablet.
There's different brands, man. So.
iPad.
Why would you say that?
Why did you say that? You just gave it away.
She already knew.
I did.
There's no way. There's different brands. You're an idiot. Damn.
You're
I like you again.
Well, I mean, we're tied, so.
No, we
No,
won.
we won.
Yeah, because it was over here.
Woo, we're
We
smart.
lost at one point.